All right, guys, welcome back to Nate's Happy Hour Bar. I know it has been a few weeks since we've done this, but since here in Victoria we are setting mad records, I figured let's keep this trend going and let's make a new cocktail that hopefully will make us all start feeling better. Today we are gonna make my version of the Quarantini, and I hope it gives your immune system a boost and makes you start feeling excellent. The first thing we're gonna do is make our own healthy syrup, so let's get into it.
All right, to start, we are gonna need 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of water, a splash of lemon juice, and 2 pinches of crushed up vitamin C. We're gonna microwave that for 60 seconds and we are good to go. All right, now to make our drink, we need a shaker full of ice, 1 shot of green tea, 1 shot of our vitamin syrup, 1 shot of lemon juice, and 1 3/4 shots of vodka. Shake it up and rim our glass with more vitamin C. And pour.
And here we have an arguably healthy Quarantini. We got green tea, because hippies say that's healthy all the time. We got honey for that cough to soothe your throat. We got some vitamin C, because, well, it's a vitamin and you need it. And for good measure, we got a healthy dose of vodka. Ooh. I feel better already. Well, I hope you've enjoyed the return of Nate's Happy Hour Bar. We're gonna be doing this for the next little while with varying levels of difficulty, some easy, some hard, some quick shooters, because you know what? We gotta get ready for our immunization shot soon, so we may as well get ready with some shots. So until next time, cheers. Ooh, not too shabby.